Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the comprehensive 2025 guide on using the search and filter options in Zoho Project to help you manage your tasks more efficiently. Let's begin. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho account and open your project dashboard. This is where all your tasks, milestones, and bugs are listed. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need the search and filter options? Well, for larger projects, it's crucial to sort through tasks and milestones quickly. Moving on, look at the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll notice a search bar. Type in the name or details of the task you're looking for. Hit enter, and voila, it's right there on your screen. This feature is especially handy when you need to find a specific task amidst a sea of responsibilities. Next up, let's explore the filter options. On your dashboard, you'll find a filter icon next to the search bar. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with options to filter tasks by status, priority, or assignee. The reason we do this is to streamline our tasks and focus on what's important at the moment. For example, if you want to view all high-priority tasks, select High under the priority filter. Similarly, to view tasks assigned to a specific team member, select their name under the assignee filter. You can even use multiple filters together to narrow your search further. This helps us because it saves time and we can easily keep track of our progress. Let me explain why this matters. As your project grows, managing the tasks can get overwhelming, but with the efficient use of search and filter options, you can easily navigate through your project, prioritize your tasks, and ensure everything is in order. To clear the filters, simply click on the Clear Filters option in the drop-down menu, and you're back to the full view of all tasks. And that's it, a quick and easy way to use the search and filter options in Zoho Project. Always remember, managing a project is not about working harder, but working smarter. And with Zoho's search and filter features, you're well on your way to do just that. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tips on using Zoho Project effectively. Until next time, happy project managing.